Wow, I just discovered one of the most beautiful, faceless AI YouTube channels I have ever seen. And channels just like this are absolutely exploding right now. This specific channel was created only 5 months ago, and it has already crossed 8 million total views. Now, here's why that number is so important. YouTube typically pays anywhere between $3 to $15 per 1,000 views, depending on the niche. On average, 8 million views would normally earn a creator around $35,000 in ad revenue. But here is the crazy part. This channel uploads 2-hour-long space documentary videos. That means it gets multiple mid-roll ads, much higher watch time, and a way higher RPM. So realistically, this creator didn't make $35,000. They probably made 5 to 10 times more than that. And no, they didn't use an expensive camera. They didn't show their face. They didn't even use their own voice. They used AI, but they used it the right way. So the real question is, how do you build a channel like this and actually get it monetized? Because YouTube does not monetize AI content unless you do it properly. And that is exactly what I am going to show you how to do today. First, let's study this channel together. The channel is called Late Science. It has over 83,000 subscribers, 109 videos, and only uploads long-form content, no shorts at all. And if we check the About section, we can see the channel is less than 5 months old and already has 8 million views. No face, no personal brand, no voice, just pure strategy. The content focuses on space, the universe, galaxies, black holes, and astronomy. Now look at this video. It was posted just 2 days ago and already has over 10,000 views. The length 2 hours and 30 minutes. Think about that for a second. How many ads can YouTube possibly place in a 2.5-hour video? A lot, exactly. Now let's check their most popular video. It was posted 4 months ago and has over 1.3 million views. Its length 2 hours long. That is just insane. So this brings us to the big question. Who is actually watching 2-hour videos on YouTube? Most people don't have the time to sit down and watch a 2-hour video. They have jobs, families, and busy lives, so why is this content working so well? Here's the answer, and it might surprise you. People don't actively watch these videos, they fall asleep to them. They play them on their TV, their phone, or their laptop right before they go to bed. They just let the video play in the background and drift off to sleep. And this one small detail changes everything. Because when people fall asleep while watching, they don't skip the video, they don't click away, and they don't stop it from playing. This translates into extremely high retention rates, massive watch time, and perfect signals for the YouTube algorithm. And here's another bonus. When the ads play, they don't skip those either. That means huge ad revenue for the creator. This is not an accident. This channel has everything: high retention, high RPM, and high engagement. It's the perfect YouTube formula. Now, some people complain that I talk too much or go into too much detail. Honestly, I don't care because I don't just want to show you what works. I want you to understand why it works. There's a famous quote, "Give a man a fish, and he eats for a day. Teach a man to fish, and he eats for a lifetime." I'm here to give you the fishing rod. So let me show you exactly how to build a channel just like this one. Let's break down how these videos are actually made. If we open the most popular video, you'll notice 3 things almost immediately. First, an AI voiceover. Second, AI-generated visuals mixed with stock footage. And third, very simple editing. As you scroll through the video, you see planets, galaxies, black holes, and other cosmic visuals. Nothing is complicated, and if you look at the comments, there are thousands of them. One of the top comments says, "Man, I clicked the wrong video to fall asleep to tonight." That right there confirms our entire theory. Now, the only part of this process that might seem a little scary is the script. A 2-hour script sounds almost impossible to write. But this is where AI completely changes the game. I've created a free script prompt that does all of the heavy lifting for you. You don't need a title, you don't need an idea, and you don't need any writing skills. You just copy the prompt, paste it into an AI like Claude, and it will automatically generate a 1-hour space documentary script for you. And every single time you use it, you get a new idea, an original topic, and a script that's safe for monetization. The next step is the voiceover. Instead of paying for a service like Eleven Labs, you can use Google AI Studio. It's completely free. You just paste in your script, choose a voice that you like, click run, and you get a very human-sounding voiceover. You can download it and repeat the process until you have a full 1 or 2 hour narration for your video. For the visuals, we're going to use a tool called Higgsfield. This tool lets you generate AI images, turn those images into smooth videos, and use multiple AI models all in one place. My method is simple. First, generate a set of high-quality images. Then turn those images into slow-motion videos. This technique looks far more realistic than just generating videos directly from a text prompt. Create about 20 to 30 of these short clips, loop them, and you'll easily have enough footage for a 2-hour video. For the final assembly, you can use a free editor like CapCut. It's super simple. Just open a new project, add your voiceover track, add your footage on top, and make sure to remove the original audio from your video clips. Then just loop the visuals until they match the length of your narration. That's it, no fancy editing skills are required. And what about the thumbnail? It's super easy. Just pick one strong, eye-catching image from your video footage. Add some bold, high-contrast text with simple words. You can even just export a still frame from your project and your thumbnail is done. This is truly one of the best and smartest ways to use AI on YouTube right now. You get high retention, high revenue, and it's relatively low effort. Plus, it's fully faceless. If you want to get my exact prompts, a list of all the tools, and a complete step-by-step system, check out the link in the description. And when you're ready to build your own faceless AI channel, I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching.